If you're new to investing, I want you to follow these 5 easy steps to become a millionaire stock investor. And the best part is that you don't even need to have any experience. The first step is to open up a brokerage account with a reputable brokerage firm. The second step is to fund your investment account with at least $1,000. The third step is, instead of investing in individual stocks and trying to figure out what individual company will have a really good future, I want you to invest in exchange-traded funds. Exchange-traded funds are a pool of investments, and they're very diversified, meaning that when you buy one share of an exchange-traded fund, you're already diversifying your portfolio. My favorite exchange-traded funds are SPY, VOO, VTI, and QQQ. The fourth step is to deposit at least $500 per month into your investment account and have that be invested as well. This ensures that your compounded returns become very large over the years so that you can become a millionaire investor. And the fifth step is to follow this page, because I share investing ideas with you every day and I don't want you to miss out.